Hello, so I just want to quickly present this to you because I believe words or normal text cannot better explain things to you, unlike presenting this to you. So here is a website I've been working with for over a year now because this is a long-term partnership, and here are the results we have been able to put together so far. So this can give you like more confidence in this approach. You can see here's the results we have been able to pull over last 30 days, 11,000 plus in the total session. We have total number of sales 23,000 and 147 orders so far. So I'd like to expand this to give you a better understanding and clarity for the kind of results you should also expect through this partnership. So here's the results for the last 7 days. I believe like with this kind of results, it's something that you are looking forward to generating with your website. So by working together, we can expect like high rate of conversion rates like this. And let's expand to last 90 days. So you can see everything clearly by yourself, and you can see here's the results we have been able to put together over the last 90 days. As I told you earlier, this is a long-term partnership. We don't just work together like and getting a view once result, but this is a continuous result, and we are also creating more strategies to improve it, and we're also able to realize like high number of session through leveraging on the AI ranking strategy and other voice search optimization, which help us pull these results. You can see here are the orders we have been realizing. Here is everything. Like this is the kind of result I'm also looking forward to help you generate on your website. And I would like you to look at this very well and get back to me. So we are going to move forward and discuss further on how to implement this same strategy on your website to get real more results. Here are other businesses I'm also working with. Here is Sweet Something Sexy Planet. Here is Sweet Labs. You can see here are the results we have over the last 30 days. And here is another website, Shiogans. I believe this is the kind of result you are also looking forward to generate. Although this result doesn't just happen by luck, but as a result of compounding effects. And I would love to have like a one-on-one call with you. So I'm going to explain to you in detail on how we can also achieve this kind of results for your website. Thank you so much for watching this.